base formula for logarithms, the change of base for logarithms. So most calculators only have really two logarithms posted on their main screen, right? The log and the ln. I prefer the ln because it's more useful in calculus, plus it takes less writing. I mean, let me just be frank about it. It takes less writing because it has one less letter. And if I, for how many times I've written down logarithms, I'm probably saving a world's worth of ink here. So for this problem, I'm going to use the following identity: the log base b of a is equal to ln of a over ln of b. But my choice of ln, although not arbitrary, is not. It does not have to be the case. You can use log, or you could use, if you wanted to, for some reason, a different logarithm base if you wished. So for the first problem, we have log base 5 of 35. So I can kind of tell that this is going to be a little bit more than 2, but not quite 3, because 5 squared is 25, which isn't big enough. 5 cubed is 125, which is way too big. So the way we would do this by the change of base would be ln of the number 35 divided by ln of the base, which is 5. ln of 35 divided by ln of 5. So I'm just grabbing a calculator here on the side. ln of 35 divided by ln of 5 is 2.209. So rounding this to the thousandths place, 2.209. And I thought it would be bigger than 2 and less than 3, so right within my intuition. How about log base 7 of 12? Well, notice that 7 to the power of 1 is 7, so it's not big enough. 7 to the power of 2 is 49, that's too big. So we're expecting an answer that would be 1 point something. Let's see what we get. ln of the top number, 12, over ln of the bottom number, 7. ln of 12 divided by ln of 7. Calculator, ln of 12 divided by ln of 7. Looks like that to 3 decimal places is 1.2769, so I'll put a 7 there, and that would be my answer. 1.277, rounded correctly to the 3rd decimal spot, the thousandths. Okay, try the next one on your own here. Pause the video and see if you can tell me what log base 3 of 200 is. Now, 3 to the 4th is 81. 3 to the 5th is 243. So we're expecting an answer that is between 4 and 5. 3 to the 4th is 81, too small. 3 to the power of 5 is 243, too large. I'm expecting an answer between 81 and 243. Let's see. ln of the number 200 over ln of the number 3, ln 200 divided by ln of 3. Sticking that in my calculator, I have ln of 200 divided by ln of 3. And if you followed along, did you get the answer of 4.82 and then 27? So I'll put a 3. Looks like the answer here is 4.82.